brunch can be so much more than having all your people over. It could actually be bundling something up and sharing it with people in your life. And so I love to do a good gifty. And you have a delicious no-fail banana bread, is that right?
The recipe is actually called no-fail banana bread.
That's the kind of bread I need in my life. No fail.
We'll share the recipe.
Okay, let's put it on the blog.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll share it with you all, but we gotta jazz it up. We wanna make it look really fancy. And this would be a great little gifty to leave on a neighbor's door or someone in your office. And so we've got some
brunch
things.
to them.
Yeah, bring them breakfast.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so you've baked it in this little thing right here, right?
I know, cute little container you can pick up at a little party store or whatever.
Yeah.
We did that. Then we'll
Put it
pop
into
it
the
in
cellophane bag.
In a cellophane bag.
What is it about a gift in a cellophane bag that just makes you want to squeal?
It makes it all special.
It doesn't matter what the gift
I
is.
love it.
Bread, anything.
Right.
Just makes you happy.
So cute.
Can I make the bow as you're working on this?
I think that you have fallen in love with our little mini bow lately.
I have.
This is the Create-A-Bow Mini, and I'm not kidding. Brittany's
This
loving
Create-A-Bow needs a moment of silence. I love this Create-A-Bow. It's so simple. What's this tool called, Kim?
That's the crease tool, so that's going to help you just break the fiber of the paper, and then your bow turns so cute and fluffy.
Yes, and
it doesn't crack.
Right, and it makes it so that it's not like folded and stiff.
Exactly.
Kind of gives you that like glorious little hump that
super
you need in a
easy,
bow.
right, to do that?
Right.
Love it.
I think since I've discovered the Create-A-Bow, I have made 25 bows. 25.
Every color of the rainbow.
Every color of the rainbow. Look how simple it is. I'm just gonna put a little glue here and fold the bow so that it has its shape here.
I'm gonna tie our bag, but I'm trying not to crinkle too loud for the camera.
Oh, yeah.
I'll do it fast.
Sometimes I think your bags can be big, so I love the idea of maybe cutting that back just a little bit.
Good idea. Oh, way cuter.
So cute.
Look at.
Almost done.
So then all we're going to do to finish it is just cut just a little pattern paper tag out of our bread tie tag. Bread tie tag.
Can we talk a moment about
bread tag die.
Oh, bread tie dye. bread tie dye. Did I say that right?
Bread tag dye.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I want to talk about this paper, this beautiful like gingham.
Isn't that cute?
Ooh, I just love it. Fill us in. So
all we do is cut it out of the bread tag die. I got it right that time. And these are our new letter stickers. These are our new sunshine alphabet stickers.
They're the perfect size.
Look how perfect is that?
Perfect.
And then we put yum on it. So cute.
So cute.
So then you're making an extra bow, so we're going to do that to decorate this one, but
oh yeah.
Here's our finished project.
Look how cute it is, you guys. I want to eat it. It's so pretty.
It's so yummy.
Yeah, and make several batches of these. Again, we'll share the recipe with you and give them to all the people. Like the mail lady, the teacher, like all the people in your life. Neighbors who would love it.
So cute.
Okay, so much fun.